Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 18, Lesson 2, Exercises. Here we have practice with the comparative and superlative of adjectives that end in "er." And so one of the main differences you'll notice is that in the superlative, instead of issimus, you have erimus. So let's practice with one of those adjectives like piger, lazy. So Titus is not as stupid nor as lazy as Marcus is. So here we have just the positive form. Piger is as lazy. Marcus is stupider and more lazy than the other students. More lazy, here we have the example for the comparative, pigrior. And then the superlative, Marcus is the stupidest and most lazy, pigerimus. Bene, give the rest of those a try. Let's try exercise 7. Here we have adverbial forms. If the adjective ends in usa then the adverb ends in a long e. So, for example, probus, which is good. Probe means well. And if it's a third declension, ends in is or e, then the adverb's formed in iter, like fortis, which means brave. Fortiter means bravely. And then these two are irregular. Bonus a good. Well is formed bene. And malus a bad. Male means badly. Look at the examples. What sort of soldier is Emilius? He is a good and brave soldier. Good and brave. How does he fight? Quomodo pugnat. Emilius fights, and here are the adverbial forms. He fights well and bravely. Okay, so let's give this a try ourselves. Number 1, qualis discipulus est Marcus? What kind of a student is Marcus? Marcus is a stupid student. Stultus. Quomodo Marcus respondit? How does Marcus respond? Marcus responds stupidly. Stulte. What sort is the response of Sextus? The response of Sextus is correct. We need to match it with responsum, so it's rectum. And how does Sextus respond? Sextus responds recte. Okay, so when you do get to the adverbs that end in is, iter, they'll come from the third declension. So pay attention as you go through the rest of exercise 7. Exercise 8. Here we have the difference between, well, we'll read the example. Sextus is not, doesn't answer, or Sextus does not write as incorrectly nor as ugly, in an ugly way, as Marcus does. And here we have Marcus writes more ugly, or more incorrectly, and more ugly than Sextus. So iter, which is the adverbial form, when you have a comparative adverb, like here, it ends in ius. So more ugly, when you're doing an action, is ius. So let's practice. The moon, it doesn't shine as bright, clara. As bright, we have clar a, because it's the adverb form. Doesn't shine so bright as the sun. The sun shines more brightly, and here is where we have the adverbial comparative, which ends in ius. Shines more brightly than the moon. Let's try exercise 9. Here we have more comparatives. No star is brighter, clarior, than the sun. The sun is the brightest, clarissima. Let's go ahead and try the rest of those comparatives and superlatives with the adverbs also thrown in. The underlined ones here are the adverbs. And issime means the most adverbial thing. So like shines the most brightly, issime, clarissime. Let's try exercise 10. Okay, we have our vocabulary exercise. You know how to do that. Exercise 11. Question and answer.